Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use opposing viewpoints database to pick a topic for your arguing a position paper. We're going to start in the library. So from the My Western portal, click on this library icon. Then you're going to see databases. Databases are all the electronic resources the library has. The library catalog is for the print books and other physical resources that are up in the library. So we're going to use databases. And then the databases are broken down by alphabetical order. So if you know what database you want, you can just click on that letter. We want opposing viewpoints. So here we have opposing viewpoints. And this is a database that was developed in order to help students write papers like the one we're writing. So it has a ton of information, and I really want you to use it to help find your topic for this paper. So the first thing you're going to see when you click in here is this featured issues slideshow. And this has some topics that are in the news right now. Gun control after the shooting in Florida. Race relations in relation to the Black Panther movie, which I recommend. I recommend the movie. If you haven't seen it, it's a good movie. You don't have to write your paper on it. And of course, the deferred action for childhood arrivals, i.e. the Dreamers. All of these are in the news right now. So you might be interested in one of those. Of course, that's only 3 issues. So if we scroll down to the main page, we have major categories. So maybe you're a business major or you want to study law or science and ethics. So you can explore these. Each of these major categories has 3 topics listed on the home page here, but there are many more topics for each category, and to see them all, you just want to click on this View All link. So this View All is going to give you all the topics related to whatever category you chose. And if you go through here and you're not that interested, you can do the pull down, you can see what's new, or you can just go back to the main page. You don't even have to go back, but this browse issues will bring up all the topics in this database. Everything from, well, I just like to go abortion, to zoos and aquariums. So you can see that there are tons of topics here to explore. You can just spend some time just reading through the names of these first links here. Then when you decide that you find something that you want to explore further, go ahead and just click on the link. And then the page for that, for any issue you click on, this is kind of like a topic, organ transplantation, right? We read the Joanna McKay essay, which is about kidney cells. That's why I picked that one. Here you can click on this Read More. And this will give you a general overview of the larger topic. So you can read that over and see if you're still interested. It also has a really nice feature, which is an MP3 file, so you can listen to it. Some students find that they learn things a little better if they can listen to them. So feel free to put your headphones on and listen away. Every article that you actually click on will have all these tools. Citation, save it to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You can print, you can email it to yourself, you can download it to your hard drive. You can save it to an electronic folder in the library. Notice too that for this article, which is a little bit longer, we have a table of contents with clickable links and related subjects. So let's say that we're still interested in this topic of organ transplantation. The rest of this page has different kinds of articles related to this general topic. Featured Viewpoints is going to call some out. Academic journals you might want to come back to later when you're looking for an academic journal article for your paper. But to pick a topic and to narrow it down, the best place to click is Viewpoints. So here we have 100 articles on this topic related to organ transplantation, and you can just scroll through and see different specific aspects of the topic, right? Is the system biased against the disabled? Is brain death an ethical criteria for taking out somebody's heart or kidneys? What are some different programs around the world to help solve this problem? Do teens not do as well? So as you read these over, you want to find something that's interesting to you personally. You might need to click on them to see what they're about. What is xenotransplantation? That's when you use organs and tissues from another species. You can always click back if you see something, and then you can just click show more results and keep scrolling until you find, right, we've got 100 of these. So you want to find one that's interesting to you, and you also want to find one that are kind of, if you can find two that are kind of opposite to each other. The current system of allocating organs is fair and ethical. The current system of allocating organs is unfair and unethical. That will help you understand the debate surrounding your topic a little more, and you can just keep going. So you always want to make your topic not just organ transplantation. You want to find that and, that and-y, that and. So here you might come up with organ transplantation and brain death. So again, I want to stress that you're not going to write just about abortion or just about gun control or just about organ transplantation. You're going to find an and find a specific angle. So let's say you've chosen this one, the brain death issue. So then you're going to want to make sure that you can save your article. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see your source citation. That'll be there when you print it out. Make sure it says MLA 8th edition. If it doesn't, you can click on this and make sure it's in the right format. You can also copy your citation here and paste it into your topic proposal worksheet. You're going to need it for later. And then if you want to use the article, you can save it to one of these online cloud storage places if you use one. You can print it up, which I highly recommend. Even if you save an electronic copy, you should do both. You can email it to yourself, which is another good way of getting yourself a file, especially if you don't have a Google Drive or OneDrive set up. If it's your own personal computer, you might want to download it. You can save to an online folder. So if you are going to write about the topic, make sure you get the article. You can use this article or you can use the general overview to fill out the questions on the topic proposal worksheet. Okay.